It is an exciting day today.
Yeah.
Right as she's sharpening her claws on her favourite blanket. Luckily that doesn't go through, young lady. Hey team, welcome to today's video and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. My name is Hayden. The day has come to replace the couch that I purchased when I first moved into this place in 2015. So this couch, it's had quite a few iterations of couch covers on it. And now that Adam lives here, it is time to update because Honey has done her very best to destroy this side of it, as you can see, as a scratching post. Look, I got it from IKEA. It wasn't super expensive, so yeah. You're gonna come along and we're gonna see if we find anything. I think this one. I think we may have found our couch. Obviously not that big, but the 2.5 seater. It is an exciting day today. You can see a big box behind me. It's been 5 or 6 weeks, I believe, but our new couch is here. I'm just gonna wait for Adam to get up before we crack in and get it set up.
Ah, true.
It's how to clean. What?
Well, you can't buy anything like that. Yeah. Oh, maybe you can get it from the supermarket.
The throw?
No, like couch, like a spray, like shellacky kind of stuff.
You mean Scotch Guard?
Yeah.
And here we have our finished couch. It does feel smaller.
It does. Like, just check the box. And I was like, oh no, it does say 2.5.
Yeah.
'Cause it's not 2-seated, it's supposed to be 2.5.
It feels very, very good. Honey has yet to make an appearance because she kind of crapped herself when the delivery people arrived. I'm testing something out. Now, because Honey is so used to the previous couch and we don't really want her destroying this couch, I've kept the arm off of the old one that she has destroyed. So the idea is we're going to keep it right beside the new one where it used to sit. I'll show you. Like this. This is the old arm of the old couch. We're keeping that for Honey to continue to scratch and lay on because obviously it's got her scent all over it. We're getting anti-cat spray on here. Just until we get a velvet throw that keeps her off of here because cats don't like that feeling. Hopefully, because you can see how much she's done to this couch that I've had for like 5-6 years. Hopefully she goes to that to sharpen her claws. I'm okay if she does it there and not on the new one. As this video goes up, Adam and I should be actually in Hall's Gap. Now, because restrictions eased for the 5th time here in Melbourne, yes, we had 5 lockdowns, we are going to be taking advantage of the situation and we booked some last minute accommodation. Now, it's only a 1-night stay, but it means that we get out of this house and we get away from Melbourne for at least 24 hours. So here's hoping that we actually make it. Before we went into lockdown last time, we had a weekend stay booked for Ballarat because we were going to go and see the last showing of the winter kind of display that's at Sovereign Hill where there's fake snow over the entire venue. But unfortunately, we got locked down. Fingers crossed once again. Okay, it's been a couple of days. This is an update on the couch. You can see that it's completely covered, and that's because even though Honey is actually utilizing this, you can see it's actually gotten a bit worse. She is using it to sharpen her claws, and we did actually go and buy a bunch of Scotchgard and protected the fabric, but she has clawed a couple of times on here and pulled a few threads out. So until the throw arrives, which is coming from Turkey, Istanbul, I know, we're going to keep the couch covered just to make sure that we keep it safe. Right as she's sharpening her claws on her favorite blanket. Luckily that doesn't go through, young lady. Thanks for watching, team. Make sure we do the fun stuff, but most importantly, stay tuned. I will see you soon.